G'day, my name's Clive and welcome to PTT Outdoors. What I'd like to go through today is the new Sea2 Summit Pro single hammock and suspension. Yeah, g'day. Whilst I was out in the bush recording this video for you, one thing I forgot to mention: the weight and the size of the tree huggers, or tree protectors, whatever you want to call them. So here we are, tree protectors, 135 grams. Or, if you want to, 4.8 ounces. And as you can see here, they're about 5 feet in length. So, I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Okay, we have a choice of two ways of securing these. We can either wrap it around the tree and then just push the buckle through the loop on the end. Or, which is the way I will do it today, carabiner. Set this up, and there we go, hooked on. Now I'll go and do the other side. Okay, we have the suspension straps. They weigh, let's read it right, 170 grams, which is 6 ounces. And they're 15 millimeters wide by 3 meters in length. Let's show you how they connect to the tree straps. Now, let's show you how easy it is to connect the tree straps onto the suspension straps. You have the two buckles, one on each end. You just simply push up one through and cinch. Done. This small buckle, which is on the end of your suspension strap, there's a little image, if you can see it, of a tree and an arrow pointing up. When this goes into the hammock buckle, which is very similar to this, that has to be pointing towards the tree. If you got it the opposite way around, it will just undo and you'll end up on the ground. So remember, small trees sticking up, all be good. Okay, this is the hammock. This is an additional stuff sack I ordered for it because I got a few extras on. But the original stuff sack it came in, compression sack actually, was well, at least half the size of this and can be compressed down to probably the size of a large orange. And the actual weight was 360 grams, which is 12.7 ounces. Okay, what I'll do today, I'll just go over the actual hammock, and then in my next video I'll show you all the add-ons I've put onto it. Okay, I'll start with the tail end. And remember, in this buckle, the picture of the tree and the arrow has to point up towards the tree. Just like that. Again, up towards the tree. Let's give it a bit of a tug. Move the double-ended stuff sack up to the head end. Get it up out of the way. Alright, here's the hammock. All these other pieces or add-ons. And let me get my piece of paper So I can give you the accurate weights again. It is, for a single weight, 360 grams, which is 12.7 ounces. It's made out of ripstop nylon. Packaged though, when it's packed away in the smallest pack it comes with, the compression sack, it's 13 centimeters in length by 7 wide by 7 centimeters high, and the weight limit is 181 kilograms. Mine's a little bit heavier than that now, so let's have a look. Just checking I've got everything facing the right direction so I don't end up flat on my ass. Yeah, perfect height for my little legs. Laying in a hammock, everybody says you end up like a banana. Well, if you lay in it wrong you do. Laying in the correct way, which is diagonal, which is feet left, head right, or head left, feet right, whichever is your choice, whatever you want. And gives you a nice, flat, comfortable lay. I should have put my head the opposite way, but there you go. No banana, no falling out. Just laying here, relaxing. Just fall asleep now, actually. Better not. I hope that gave you a basic of the Sea to Summit Single Pro Hammock. I like it. I carry it in my day pack. Perfect for overnighters if I get stuck. Or just to get it out and, as they say, chillax, relax. I don't know what they say nowadays. But yeah, beautiful place. Beautiful. Anyway, I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next video.